Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. This is August Liu from XY Screens. Here's our manual fluorescing projection screen. When you don't have a wall at your place, the portable fluorescing screen will be the choice. It is very lightweight. You can take it anywhere. This screen utilizes a dual-point scissor structure, which makes it stronger and more durable. The self-locking system allows to stop at any height easily and smoothly. $60 to 100 inch available. So far, the screen material is fiberglass or matte white. If you are interested in our products, welcome to send me a message or send me an email. I will reply you soon. Don't forget to give me some likes and subscribe my channel to receive new videos. Thank you. See you.